Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Windows Update error 0x80240438, then watch this video for the solutions. The first thing we need to do is to disable the IP4v6 connection. So for that we will open the run dialog by pressing the Windows and the R button simultaneously, and then we will input the command ncpa.cpl. There it is, and we'll click on enter. And then we will click on the active Wi-Fi connection, and then we'll right click on it and we'll click on properties. Now in properties we have to make sure that internal protocol version 6 TCP IPv6 is unchecked. Once it is unchecked, click OK. And then another thing we need to do is reset the Microsoft Store. To reset Microsoft Store, we need to again open the run dialog by clicking the Windows and the R button together, and we can input the command WSRESET and click enter. And you can see Microsoft Store will be reset, and this should solve the issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.